Look at my jacket! Happy Valentine's Day to everybody! Look at this, how cute is this jacket? I had to make a video because I wanted to wear the jacket and wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Will you be mine? I'll be yours. Today I want to announce the winner of the Maysama green serum, and I want to show you some things that I bought. So let's begin. Now, I bought every color of this style bag. It is just so precious. I love it. Look at that. A white one with a gray rabbit. And it's all fake fur. Or look at that one. Tan with a white picture on it. So precious. Comfortable to hold. Deep enough to fit everything. A nice black one with the white picture. Beautiful, soft, cozy. And the last one, oh gosh, that next to my pink jacket looks like it's actually peach. But without my jacket there, it looks like a peachy pink. Cute. I got them on Shein. I don't even think they were $20 each. I got such a super deal on these, and I'll put the link down below. Oh, look at that. So soft. I had to get all the colors. And the inside has a snap, a very strong snap, and it's kind of like vinyl. It is faux fur, and your bag won't get stained because it's all nice and vinyl. It's not like a fabric, and it closes good. It's got a cute little handle. You just go like this. Ooh. Okay, that one doesn't match good. I'll take this one. Oh my goodness, coziness. And I'll show you some pictures of coziness that I love. And it seems like that's how I've been dressing, with like a furry jacket, a furry bag, maybe a furry hat or a cap or a bucket hat. I said, no, are they for Easter? Is it Playboy? No, it's just a very, very cute bag. The past few weeks have been rough. I have been still nauseous and still dizzy. I went to an ENT and they confirmed that I have vertigo, and I know what exercises I have to do. They're called Epley, and you have to lay down for 30 seconds, come up for 30 seconds, lay down, look this way for 30 seconds, come up. Okay. You have to get your crystals. Oh, did you know we have crystals in our ear? Yes, we do. We have crystals that are stuck in our ear, and when they come dislodged, that is when you experience vertigo. Believe me, I had vertigo a few years ago when I was in California visiting, and I had to go to Cedars-Sinai, and they all stood around me, the doctors with the interns, and they were going to do brain surgery. And then they gave me an MRI, and they saw that they didn't need to. Oh, thank you. And when I got home, I went to my ENT, and he told me it was vertigo. So I can't even say the word without feeling like I'm going to spin. But I just had to put makeup on today. I just threw on my Valentine coat because there's the little heart. Isn't that cute? That was a Shein coat too. And I'm just going to leave it on because I've got pajamas on underneath. I want to show you that these are the gums. This is the gum that I have been chewing. Every time my mouth is dry, it's going to help preserve your teeth. It's the xylitol gum. It comes in all different flavors, and I even saw them in Marshall's, but I get them on Amazon. Today, I am just putting this up so I can announce the winner I'm going to go to YouTubeRandomPicker.com, and that's how we pick a winner. I will put all the names there and spin it around, and we'll see who gets the Maysama green serum. Today I'm wearing NYX Shine Loud in Gold Crusher, and I am wearing Wet n Wild Mega Slicks. It's probably like $6 or something. And then I use this Color Stay by Revlon lip liner in nude, and I made my nude lip today. Okay, I had to show you these bags, and they're not the only ones. I think I've ordered about 8 bags, so these are 4 of them, and I will show you the others as soon as they get here. Very, 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 very cute. Very cute. Everywhere I go, somebody has something to say about it. It's just, these are the cutest bags, okay? The other ones I have an H on it, and I'll show you. How cute are they? I just love them. I think they're cozy, comfy, and they look adorable. My goodness, I got a whole tray of beauty sponges from Shein also, and I got all this. These are the greatest. I think they cost like less than $1 for a pack of 5, and this fabric is amazing to take off your makeup and to wash your face and to keep near your makeup vanity, just to wipe your hands and to clean with. I mean, you could, you designate the color and you don't wash them together and you just separate them. But I am using them in the bathroom to remove my makeup, wash my face, and also in my vanity area. So when I have makeup on my hands, I don't have to keep using tissues. I can use this and then throw them all in the wash. These are like 98 cents for a pack at Shein. And then I got all these beauty sponges. Look, isn't that a beauty? This is my kind of sponge. Flat, flat, round, flat up here. This is wonderful, and it's soft. And then I got this one from Shein, and it's pretty soft too. A bag of these. Now these aren't as soft, but this is the perfect beauty sponge. Okay, flat on the top and 2 sides, and then the bottom is kind of just a little rounded, but that is the perfect. Here, there, everywhere. It's just perfect. I love this. Love it. I got a pack of 3. I've been keeping them in the pack so I could show you. Beautiful. And there's 3 of them in here. And I wanted more black ones because they're easier to keep clean. But I do have my method of cleaning all my beauty sponges. What I do is I pile them up in a jar and then I clean them all together, and this is how I do it. I know I did a video on it, but this is the way I'm doing it now. I put it in a bowl that's microwavable. I put dish detergent in it, squish it around, put it in the microwave. 2 minutes. When it comes out, the water is full of makeup and your sponges are clean. Now sometimes there's staining, but that's why I thought maybe black would be better. Look, they gave me that one. Ooh, that's a good one. I don't even know how I look in this video. I didn't check. I'm just taping it. I'm looking. I have been so ill. I haven't been able to leave the house. So all I did was go to the ENT. I'm going back. I'm going to the gastroenterologist because the ENT said that it can't just be why I'm nauseous. It's not all from the vertigo, because I was diagnosing myself. I've got to have vertigo. I knew I had vertigo. I said, maybe all this is vertigo. And my doctors are telling me that it's acid reflux reflex, but I used to have an iron stomach. I don't throw up. I just get nauseous. I can eat anything, and I never have heartburn. I don't even know what that feels like. So for the next 2 weeks, I'm taking omeprazole, and I am staying off of ketchup and citrus. And I love my ketchup, tomato sauce, pasta sauce. I love pickles. I love lemons, oranges, vinegar. I love everything citrus. Anyway, look at this. These are pretty soft. These are all the same shape. Now this one, perfect. Oh, here's 2 more. I just went crazy. I have a big jar in my room of sponges. Look at that. That is cute. At least it's got a flat side. I don't know how that beauty blender is so popular. I understand, but I need a flat side. I need a flat side. And I'm not paying $20 for a beauty sponge. Oh, we have this. This is another one. Now, some of them aren't as soft, and some of them are. So this is kind of medium. I give a lot of them away. I really love this one. Ooh, it's big and juicy, chewy. I love it. It looks like a squishy, but this might sting. This one is cute color, but I did buy the black on purpose. And then look at that. I did get a red one. I couldn't resist. How cute is that? Boop, 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 boop. I love that. Cute, right? Yeah, I mean, I use a sponge, then I move on to another sponge, and then when they pile up, and I've got like around a dozen, then I wash them. And I do the microwave, so it's much easier. I said to myself, how am I going to wash all these? My hands are going to be prunes. I can't keep my hands in water for an hour, 2 hours. They're going to be like shriveled up hands. I'm going to announce the winner now. I'm going to roll the random picker, and I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, Valentine's Day. I am your Valentine. If you don't have anybody, I'll be your Valentine, and I hope you'll be mine, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay? Mwah. Love you all.
'82 Electra, you are the winner. Congratulations. Email me at the ohcarolshow at yahoo.com, and I will get back to you, and then I will just ask you for your address so Maysama can send you the beautiful product.